In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a donate charity sticker into your story in Facebook. So first you want to click on add to story to create a new story, and then you want to choose an image. I'll choose, for example, this one. Then you want to go to the top right and click stickers, and then here you will find a donate button here. Click on it and you will find a variety of charities where you could share. So after you find your charity, you just click on it and you can now adjust it. Let me see if I could adjust the size. Okay, here, and then once you're done you could just click share and it's gonna load in a few seconds here. Okay, and this is basically how you add a charity or some donation post onto your story in Facebook. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.